All right, welcome to this quick video. We are going to talk about the quick retopology tool in Maya. If you have a t-shirt that you have extracted from the mesh, it might also look like this because that's what we do. We select all the faces and we just duplicate the face and extract it out of the main character. But doing so creates this edge loop that is not fit to be on a t-shirt. All right, so how to make it correct? There's a tool in Maya that's mesh, remesh, and retopologize. So we can use retopologize first and talk about it. If I open the options, I'll put it aside. All right, these are the options for the retopology. And before changing anything, I'll just go to display heads up display and turn on this poly count. Now, I can see that this object already has 1130 faces, and the target face count I'm trying to achieve is 1000, which is good actually. I'll just click retopologize with the default settings. So I'll just turn off this pre-process mesh because my mesh is not dense, and I'll click apply. As you can see, I'll now go to vertices, select all of these, and pull them out in their normal axis. It works like extrude but without extruding it. Now I have a cleaner topology for the t-shirt. If I do want to make it better still, I can click apply again and it'll work even better. This t-shirt is a lot better than the previous one. The topology is optimized. I can even reduce the poly count if I want. I think around 700 would be fine. And the base shape still holds. This is what I specialize in, creating short videos that can help you achieve the result you want. So I will not keep this video long and I will not keep you guessing. This is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.